Hey guys, it's Dark, and today I have remade the Warrior Cats Camps video, and yes, I am Darkflame right now, which is really cool. I'll show you how to do that in a minute at the end of the video. Well, it'll probably be more like 4 minutes, but anyway. So this is Thunderclan territory, Thunderclan camp. You know, it's got the trees and the forest and all that. There's a WindClan over there, which I'll get to in a bit. Oh my gosh, Darkflame, get out of my face! What the heck? Anyway. This is the leader's den. I think I just said that. No, I didn't. I'm not sure. Anyway, here's the medicine den with the herb stores. And these are poppies, just in case you need to put anybody to sleep. Here is the apprentice's den. Warrior's den. Over here, there is the elder's den. I'm pretty sure it's the elder's den. Oh, wait. Is this the elder's den? Crap, I can't remember now. Wait a second. Oh no, I think this was the nursery. Yeah, that's the nursery. This is the apprentice's den and the elder's den. It's very difficult to tell the difference between them because it's just, what the heck. But anyway, so that's all the dens in Thunderclan. Darkflame, come back. Alright, over to WindClan. Just to let you know, I worked pretty darn hard on this part because there were a ton of trees here, but I had to uproot, like, all of the trees in this part of the forest. And then, like, make it the right shape and everything, so that's more like WindClan territory. Oh my gosh, that took so long. Oh well. Anyway, so this one's not as big, it's quite small actually. The warrior's den right here, I forgot for a second. That's the apprentice's den, right? And the elder's den. Over here, this is the leader's den. This is what the oh no, this is the medicine den. Alright, this is the leader's den. This is the medicine den, again with the herb stores. Over here, I think I just showed that. There's a little sort of sneaky over here. Here's the nursery. Sort of hidden, sort of hard to see. You wouldn't really look there. Anyway. So over to RiverClan. I have the streams coming through here. And also, if you're wondering where the stream comes from, it just comes from underground, and it ends right over there. But the water never comes from anywhere. Magic. Anyway, so, RiverClan camp. Warrior's den. Over here, this is the apprentice's den. This is the nursery. Right here is the medicine den. Again, with the herb stores. That's gonna be like that for all of the medicine dens, because... Darkflame? Darkflame! What the heck? Okay, that was really weird. For some reason, it just keeps breaking. I'll have to manually fix that in a second. Anyway, over here is the elder's den. Right here is the leader's den. Okay, so now for the last clan. Well, unless you count Starclan. Anyway. Here's ShadowClan territory. Right here is the leader's den. The apprentice's den. I keep forgetting. And then the warrior's den right here. Anyway, okay. Over here to the secret, sneaky elder's den slash nursery, which isn't realistic to the actual book series, I know, but hey, it's kind of hard to do all this. Anyway, so this is the elder's den part, and this is the nursery part. The nursery and elder's den are huge. But anyway, so that's all of the clan's territory, I guess, except for StarClan. But StarClan is essentially just a massive pane of glass that... Oh, hey, he unbroke finally. Yay. And it's just a massive pane of glass that hangs out over all the territories. Oh, I forgot to show you the Gathering Island. Alright, I'll do that. Oh, wow. It's kind of hard to get off StarClan territory. You gotta go super far. Anyway, ow, my head. I smashed it. Here's the marsh, right next to the log, or tree, I suppose. Which is actually on the map, but is rarely mentioned. Why the heck do you keep breaking? What the heck, Darkflame? Anyway, so here's the tree you cross. Here's the actual island. All the warriors and apprentices would sit here and look up at the leaders who are blabbing on and on and on about random crap that no one really cares about and yelling at each other. Because that's basically the gathering in a nutshell. They can actually sit on the branches, which is really cool if you're on to, like, roleplay or something on this map, which I might actually, like, release this or something to the general public. But I'm not quite sure. Anyway, is Darkflame going to unbreak now, or what the heck? Oh, yep. Okay, whenever I go over there, he breaks. What the heck? That is weird. Anyway. So, Starclan territory, Gathering Island, and now, for the moon pool. And, yeah, this part's pretty cool. Because you go down here, down the ancient stone steps, and I was actually going to I was going to add the footsteps of the ancient cats that Jay Feather mentions literally every single time he walks through there. Oh man. Anyway. But, unfortunately, the particle effect was glitching out, so it didn't work, which was really annoying. Anyway, this is actually really cool. I haven't done that yet. I'll just use a command. For anyone who's complaining about that, deal with it, bruh. Yeah, I'm gonna use more commands. Anyway, I'll set the time to here. And, wait for a second, and you'll see something really cool. First of all, I need to set myself to Medicine Cat objective. And, in a moment, there we go. It is night, the Medicine Cats may speak with Starclan now. And then it teleports you up to Starclan territory. So you can actually, like, walk around. And, like, at night. Like, there were a few drawbacks with this. No matter where you are, really, it'll teleport you up to Starclan. Which is sort of like having a vision, I guess. Medicine Cats will have visions here. But, unfortunately, it doesn't happen every month. Or, yeah, it was every month. Like it does in the actual book series. Just because, oh my gosh, it was so broken. It did not work the way I wanted it to. So, yeah, that's a little annoying. But anyway, I'll just, quickly set the time back to day so that it will awake me and send me back down to the moon pool. And then I'm going to remove my Medicine Cat objectives so that it doesn't constantly just teleport me around. And, yep. Alright. So, yeah. On to the command and how the heck I made myself into Darkflame. Also, Darkflame, why is your name all over the screen? What the heck? Anyway. Oh man, I said it was going to be 4 minutes, but it's 9 minutes instead. Anyway, there's a lot of commands here. Now, this is just where I tamed Darkflame, and I've got, like, a little fire star hanging out here. Wait, you're supposed to be dead. You little hacker. Anyway. This is how I got the, moon pool thing to work. I keep going. For some reason. Anyway. I keep saying anyway. It's just the daylight sensor detects the day. And, then it will invert that signal with this redstone torch. And that means, when it stops being day, because for some reason the nighttime thing kept breaking and being weird. It wasn't working properly. So that's weird. So I just had to reverse the signal, which is just as easy. Anyway, it'll just say, it is night, the Medicine Cats may speak with Starclan now. And, then after a while, I haven't really counted how long this is, it's just, yeah. It'll just teleport you up to the place that I showed you up there. And then it basically does the exact same thing in reverse, like without the inverted signal, so it's just when it stops being night and becomes day, it activates. Wow, I just opened my inventory. It says there's no longer night, the Medicine Cats will be awoken. And it just basically does the same thing and teleports you back down to the moon pool. And now, for the part that you probably only cared about, like you probably didn't care about much of any of this, except for this part, how I made Darkflame follow me around. And yes, it only requires one command block, and extremely basic redstone knowledge. Like, ridiculously basic. Like, you don't even have to know redstone pretty much at all. Because it's just so simple. And you can make this work in pretty much any world. Except for one limitation. It has to be in 1.8.9 or lower. Because, you know, it's constantly teleporting Darkflame to me, so it looks like it's he's following me. But, unfortunately, in 1.9 and above, entities will now push you like animals. So this cat, like, he keeps pushing me around into corners and stuff, and it's like, no, stand still, but it doesn't work. So I tried to fix that, but unfortunately the only way I found to fix it is to go into 1.8.9. So yeah, enough of that. I'll just turn this off for a second so that he'll stop following me. This is a very simple command. TP at E, and then in the square brackets, name equals, and whatever you want your cat's name to be, space, well, anything that's another square bracket, but anyway, space, and then whatever your name is. And then all you have to do is tame a cat. Also a lot, I suppose. Just grab a fish real quick. So I'll just show you how to do it. Just, if you don't know how to do this, there's probably a tutorial on it somewhere. But I just have this set up. I'll have to block his view of me. Say, oh. Sneaky. Anyway. So I'll just spawn this cat over here. Do that. Then do this. And it didn't work. Okay. There we go. Okay. So then, just tame this cat. Scared of me now? Oh, wait. Okay. My gosh, this is really complicated. There we go. Oh man, I got another dark flame. Anyway, so then you just change its name to whatever you want your cat's name to be. And then just make sure it's the same as whatever you put right here. And then your username right here, as I mentioned before. Then you just have a simple comparator clock. Comparator here, lever here. You just click this so that this part is glowing. Put some redstone like this. And then make sure there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces of empty redstone just lying there, instead of just putting it right next to it. Otherwise it won't work. And then have your command block. And pretty much any way you want to have the redstone running into the command block works. But anyway, so when you turn it on, it essentially constantly teleports the cat to wherever you are. And so it looks like it's moving, because they wanted to compact the game. So they made it, the creators of the game I mean, made it so that whenever an animal moves at all, it doesn't have to be moving on purpose. It'll automatically move its legs, just so that they didn't have to add extra redundant code. So even though it's just teleporting to you, the game counts it as walking, so it'll actually make the leg motion and everything. And it will also copy, to a degree, like the head position and stuff. So when I look down, it'll look down, look up, it'll look up, and then I turn to the side. And then it'll turn to the side, sort of. It's a bit weird and glitchy, but it sort of works. So yeah, that's essentially where the cat camps, version 2, and how to make your own, turn yourself into a warrior cat in Minecraft. So yeah, that was a long video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.